Cooper Marcher here. Happy Cinco de Mayo. In retrospect, I should have done a story about Cinco de Mayo, but I didn't think of it in time. So instead, I'm doing this story. The Michigan State University Veterinary Medical Center Blood Donor Program gave a missing dog another chance at life. The MSU Veterinary Medical Center saves countless dogs day in and day out, but it wouldn't be possible without the help of their canine donors. Winter, the husky, broke free from her home in February and went missing. When she was finally found, she was brought to the MSU Veterinary Clinic in rough shape. But with the help of their team and blood donors, volunteers, she now is back home right where she belongs. We counted her out. You never really want to give up hope, but there's this realistic aspect of it. And honestly, I thought I'd never see her again, said Brad Way, Winter's owner. Way's dog Winter was missing for 2.5 weeks. Way immediately took her to MSU Veterinary Clinic when she was finally found. When she first came in, she was glazed over and really out of it, said Way. Winter stayed at the vet's hospital for a little over a week fighting for her life, and the MSU canine donor Basil was there to help. So they help out patients that are recovering from surgery, trauma, such as hit by cars or gunshot wounds, if they have immune-mediated diseases or are suffering from cancer, says Rose Wall, veterinary technician. All blood donors belong to people who live in the area or doctors or staff at the vet hospital. For dogs to donate blood, they must be healthy and over 50 pounds. It's really cool to see your dog's blood going to one of your patients and another patient in the hospital that really needs it. So you can kind of follow the whole thing through. Zoto has had blood donor dogs in the past, and when she adopted Basil, she knew she wanted to make her a donor. There's some things that we can't do, but having a family member in the household that can make the other difference is really amazing. Donor dogs come in every 4 to 6 weeks to give blood, and they barely feel it. They love the treats that they get and a lot of extra attention and time we play ball afterwards. Most of them love to come here, so it's a very rewarding part of the job, said Wall. So, she said it's also rewarding to see dogs helping one another. Without Basil's help, Winter wouldn't be back at home with her new owner. According to the MSU in 2021, the small animal clinic used 290 units of canine-packed blood cells and 83 units of canine plasma. The veterinary clinics are always looking for more donors because blood is always needed. Thank you, Basil, for this gift of life. Cooper Marcher here. Ciao.